And like this, she was just like, no, this is not happening. You're not fucking with me. Because the housing body here, she gets a bad review of us out here. In your report, she was helpful, opened her home to us, told her where she was. She didn't want no part of this. That way it's not a negative impact on
Hey,
her.
Roses, wake up.
Y'all need me for anything, right?
Roses.
I mean, I didn't take her pants off, but I shook her out. Yeah. EMS is saying it seems like minor to no injury, just
You're not breathing right now. Come on.
DUI, fleeing or attempting to elude law enforcement, disobedience to traffic control devices, failure
What?
to maintain
Are
lane,
you,
hit and run, following too closely, driving without headlights,
are you not breathing right now?
container, and
Come on.
related to overtaking and passing. The quiet streets of everyday life, his words
Son.
until the police arrive to douse the flames.
Where are you?